Oogie Boogie has arrived. Well, without his external arms, but he's here. Well, hello everybody, welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. That's right, as you saw from that clip, we are at Disney California Adventure.
Yes, we are.
Because we're seeing first signs of Halloween.
Yeah. So not all the decorations are up, but we're gonna give you a walkthrough and we can see all of the stuff coming in for Halloween time.
Yeah.
Just looking at Oogie Boogie today, I guess maybe I forgot, I don't know, but I like how the O is like a jack-o'-lantern.
I know, I don't know if I've ever noticed that either, but
yeah,
that's really cool.
Like, even if it's not new, I'm like, I didn't even notice that. So we're gonna really take a close look and check everything out. Let's go. So this is how you know Halloween is really kicking off, because they're selling all the Halloween ears right when you walk in. I still kind of want these purple witch hat ears.
And the construction walls are still up at the trolley station here, right by the entrance. But you still have access to the restrooms, lockers, and the ATM if you just walk around this way. Look at Minnie with her hard hat, working hard. She's got her painter's palette. She's ready to go. She's got work to do. And the first store that you come to, the Los Feliz 5 and Dime, has all the Halloween stuff in the window, all the merch. Look at these crazy jack-o'-lanterns. They're shocked that they're here so early, but we're excited that they are. Perfect for ghouls and gals. Just the first of many jack-o'-lanterns you're gonna see today, starting to sprinkle themselves into DCA. And there's a lantern up there that Katie wanted me to show you. Pretty cool. And the little kind of sconcy cutouts.
We just looked over on the other side of the window and we found this cool looking display. I see me there on the right.
Yeah, gummy worm Katie right there.
That's me when I've had too many gummy worms.
Look at all these guys stacked down here.
What is that? I wonder if it's like, it looks like paper mache or something.
They're very cool.
I love it.
Look at the owl. Ooh. Ooh. So Hyperion Bridge still not decorated with its
bunting.
It is bunting, yeah.
Bunting.
It is bunting.
But.
And or.
Bunt. I was gonna say bunt.
Oh, bunt.
Bunt.
as in but. We do have jack-o'-lanterns hiding out at the produce market right here.
Oh, if that's not the cutest little jack-o'-lantern face.
Yeah, look at him by the gourds. He's like, these are my two friends, Gourd and Gourd.
Look at that guy's face.
It's like, oh.
That's not pure happiness. Yeah.
A lot of gourds adorning the bottom row here. It's gourd heavy, it's gourd heavy.
I have a question, Spence. Perhaps are these bug leashes from Oogie Boogie? Or is it supposed to be grass? That gives me Oogie Boogie vibes.
It does look like the Oogie Boogie,
like, you know, the creepy crawlies?
yeah, that come out of his mouth.
Right?
Yeah.
That's totally what I thought. Ooh, there's more over here. Wow, these are great. I wish these were here all the time. Look at this little, it's like Huey, Dewey, Louie.
So already, not even passing past the Hyperion Bridge, we've seen lots of signs of Halloween. And literally right under the Hyperion Bridge at Julius Katz, look at this.
It's all cats. Cats everywhere.
And all the Halloween stuff for sale inside the store. Right here at Trolley Treats, look at the window display. Has been Halloweenized. I just made that up. Look at, there's like jack-o'-lanterns. There's a haunted house right there. Look at that. There goes the train. Whoop whoop. And these window displays that are next to the entrance have also been demonized, as I'm saying now. That's the new word. Look at that. There was a train wreck. There's like
I was gonna say
pumpkins in the train, and this one's about to go off the rails down there. And then equally on this side, we've got some damage. Ooh, you can really see the train car there with all the pumpkins and all the candy being delivered, and it went off the rails.
Do you think Oogie Boogie got to it?
I think he did. And some gnarly trees right there. Look at this even more really cool displays. I don't know if you can see, but look at, there's another haunted house back there. More of the train has gone off the rails. More of the candy has been spilled out. Look, I think I've spotted Death right there. There he is. And a few more haunted houses. Candy corn spilled everywhere. And look, even the chimney has a sprinkle roof on it. And some very excited jack-o'-lanterns back there. Really good detail in the Trolley Treats window. Big candy display. Look at this. And look at this cookie. It's a Mickey cookie.
It's a decorated sugar cookie. Isn't that adorable? Look at how cute. They kind of each look a little bit different. This one's a little, well,
unique. All handmade, probably.
Yeah. Oh, that's darling.
And a whole pack
of the
of Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispie treats, like yes.
And you end up looking like that after you eat all that sugar. Yeah. And I like the expression on Mickey's face on these mini buckets. He's kind of deviant looking. A little,
He is, he's a little
he's up to something. A little maniacal there. All right, over here at Elias and Company. A lot of cool Halloween stuff on their displays.
Yeah, they're really nice displays. Wow, look over here. There's stuff on every
Bam!
side. Everywhere you look, bam!
Look at that.
More merch.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's in stereo,
display.
both sides. I like that Mickey look. He's like, "Wah-ha-ha." There's all the backpacks still in abundance. And then above here in Elias and Company, look, they have the mannequins displayed, but there's a skeleton up there. And I'm not sure if he's always there or not, but he's sure looking dapper.
He is.
Tell you what.
Okay, this kind of goes with the theory too, because they're dressed up and she's dressed up like a witch.
Yeah, and he's got some sort of like cat mask on or something.
Catmandu?
Yeah, they go into a
Masquerade?
A masquerade bowl,
Of
yes.
sorts.
Of
But
sorts.
I don't know. I guess now we have to like really pay attention throughout the year and see if we're wrong. I mean, you guys can tell us in the comments.
And there's an entire Jack Skellington like section. Like everything around here is Skellingtonized.
Skellingtonized.
Even the window displays at Elias and Company are very masquerade-y, looking very dapper masquerade-y, sir. I'm not sure who you are.
Batmannequin!
Oh boy. What do you got for this guy over here?
Pinocchio! Pistachio!
It is kind of because look, there's his arms in the woman's form.
There you go!
And then there he is, so it's a Pinocchio.
Like a jazzier Pinocchio.
Yeah. Carthay Circle building showing some jack-o'-lanterns on the second level up there. Look at Goofy. Just strolling along. Hi everybody. Look at him.
Just walking by himself happy in the land.
But yeah, look at those jack-o'-lanterns up there. Getting spooky here at Carthay.
Those are so cool, and they're all around the whole side.
Yeah, they're on the other side too, huh?
Yep.
And no Headless Horseman yet. We're assuming he'll be put back here because he's super popular. He's almost the equivalent of the Mickey Pumpkin, but the DCA mascot. That's kind of how I see him. Over here at the merch shop on Hollywood Boulevard, they've got some amazing window displays as well. Look at this. I love these little backdrops. Candy corn everywhere. And then when you walk in, they've got a great display with the mannequins here, and behind the counter, a very spooky display. Look at that. That'll get you in the spirit. There's even little Halloween costumes for the kiddos in here that you can get.
Now the whole back wall.
The whole back wall, yeah, filled with costumes. I love that version of Donald. Look at him. Sinister Donald.
Hi, Oogie Boogie. Say hi to Life Disney.
Oh, hey, Live Disney. Even the kiosks are starting to show up on the streets here at DCA with all the lanyards, the light up stuff.
This is a light corner right here. Anything light up.
Yep, and you can get your Zero and walk him around the park.
And take him to the Haunted Mansion.
All right, walking into Cars Land, and if you notice, there's light poles on this side of the street, but on that side, those big telephone poles get added in for Halloween so that they can drape the spider webbing across the lane here with the chains and the lug wrenches and the distributor cap, spiders, all that good stuff. So they're kind of halfway there. So some spider webbing lights have shown up on the roof of Sarge's surplus hut. Hard to see in the daytime, but they're there. Oh yeah, spookiness is being installed. And the lighting on the trees has been installed. Whether it turns on tonight is another story, but we've got seasonal lighting on the trees happening. All right, across from Flo's V8, look at the big tree. Has been draped with spookiness already.
And you can see the lights too.
And, yep, the lights are there. And the gift shop over here is, what is it called now?
Happy Halloween.
That's right, because Mater's hauling cars.
Yeah, he is.
And if you look in the back, corroded undead batteries. Very appropriate. As well as shrunken hoods. You can get your Bouveniers, you can get your tarot cards read, all ready for your Halloween
Pleasure.
taking and pleasure, yes.
So look over at Luigi's.
The orange and yellow lighting has been hung. It's ready. They still haven't converted the tires yet, but that's coming. Well, there he is, Lightning McQueen. He just got fitted for his costume, I'm told.
Sting like a beamer.
But for now, he's gonna go greet his guests and hang out in the park. So those pesky old distributor cap spiders have made their way back. They're crawling all around the displays here at Luigi's. Watch out, watch out. Over here at the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail, no signs of Halloween yet, but we expect really big things from this area this year. We're excited about it. Just a quick view of the Pixar Pier. It looks like they're doing some work to World of Color. They got the pontoon boat out there. Let's go take a closer look. All right, we can see a lot better here. There's divers in the water. They're clearly removing something, probably to make way for Villainous, the new nighttime spectacular for the Halloween season that's over here. So far, the only signs of Halloween I can find on Pixar Pier are right here at Heimlich's Candy Corn Toss. I don't know if that counts because that's here, you know, all the time, 365 days a year, but I'll take it. Over here at Jesse's Critter Carousel, could this owl possibly be a sign of Halloween? I don't know, but we're gonna take this one as well.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Going along with the theme of, you know, first signs of Halloween, we gotta put the scare in you a little bit, right?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, so we figured maybe we'd go over to Mater's. Is that what?
Yeah, we'll do the Junkyard Jamboree. We had originally booked the Fast Pass for Radiator Springs Racers, but it broke down and it stayed down, so...
That happens.
Yeah, sadly, but I think we'll have fun on Junkyard Jam. It's not Jamboree yet.
It's not the Jamboree yet, but
we're gonna have one last Jamboree.
Oh, I like what you did there.
See?
Like Katie said, it's still the Jamboree regular, it's not the Jamboree. But that doesn't scare us off. See what I did there? All right, let's go.
Good way to end off this video is with a good time on Mater's Junkyard Jamboree.
All right.
Here we go.
Oh, here comes the good whip. You ready?
Oh yeah, the big whip.
Here we go.
We really whipped it.
Oh, that was a good one.
Can you see?
All right, hey, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit your subscribe button. And when you do, turn on your bell notifications.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
And we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!